Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can travel to China for free. This is something that you are interested in. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, what are you waiting for? Introduce yourself in the comments. I want to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and again, thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your amazing comments. I see you. You see me. I see you guys, and I truly appreciate you. God bless you. If you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. So it's all about helping you travel abroad for free on a scholarship. Yes, I typically share full scholarships on this channel. If this is something you're interested in, how to travel to China for free, how to study in China for free, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So first is, have you heard of foundation scholarship and partial scholarship? Yes, so your easiest pathway into Chinese universities. And here are some reasons why you might want to consider studying in China. Number one, they have diverse student community and support. You know that China hosts over 500,000 international students from more than 180 countries. Universities offer dedicated support services, language programs, and cultural exchange activities to help students feel welcome and thrive academically and socially. China is also safe and student-friendly. See, they have a lot of cities. Chinese cities are known for their safety, their efficient public transportation, and student-friendly amenities. Campuses are also equipped with modern dormitories, yes, libraries, sports facilities, and international student centers. I mean, cities like Hangzhou, Zhuzhou, Kunming, they offer peaceful environments and they're ideal for focused study. You know that we also get scholarships and government support. See, the Chinese government actively promotes international education through programs like the Chinese Government Scholarship, the CSC that I shared in my previous video. They have the Confucius Institute Scholarship and Belt and Road Initiative Scholarships. Now, they can cover tuition, accommodation, and living expenses, making China one of the most accessible study destinations for underrepresented and low-income students all around the world. Do you know that studying in China has become an increasingly international popular choice for international students that are seeking high-quality education and global opportunities? I mean, one of the biggest attractions is the variety of scholarships that are available. I mean, however, not all scholarships are the same because each of them have their own requirements, their benefits, and best fit applicants. And here is a quick comparison to help you find scholarship that best suits you. Now, I talked about the foundation and partial scholarships, which is your easiest pathway into Chinese universities. So are you worried that your Chinese is not good enough? Or maybe you're new to international study? Worry no more, because see, don't panic. China has a solution for you. These are foundation and partial scholarship programs that are designed for students who want to start with language studies and smoothly transition into full degrees. And here is how it works. First thing you need to do is you will begin with 1 year of Chinese language or preparatory courses. Then you move into your chosen bachelor's or master's program. Now, these programs often guarantee admission upon completion. Yes, and here is what is covered. Typically, they offer 30% to 70% tuition reduction, sometimes including dormitory discount. And you are still going to pay part of the cost, but it's much lower than normal international tuition. Now, who are the people that can apply for these opportunities? See, this route is perfect for beginners who want to build language and cultural confidence before diving into academic courses. It is also great for people who didn't meet full entry requirements yet. I'm telling you. So if you're looking for an easier alternative or an easier entry point to study in China, this could be your smartest move. So make sure that you apply early. Yeah, so stay consistent and your dream of studying abroad could start right here. In my next video, guys, I found another scholarship opportunity in Doha, in Qatar. So yes, if you are interested, let me know in the comments. So if you're looking for an opportunity to pursue advanced studies abroad in Qatar, guys, I have great news for you. Make sure that you tune into this channel. Make sure that you join the family by subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notification bell because yes, I am here sharing with you, honestly, a lot of opportunities that I wish someone told me when I was in your shoes. There are so many reasons why you want to study abroad. Honestly, beyond just the cultural immersion that you get to, do you know that you can meet your life partner in these universities? And just so you know, a lot of these, like the next video I'm going to share with you, they also pay for your flights. Yes, they pay for your round trip to and fro, your country. Yes. So make sure that you don't miss out on it. There's so many things that you stand to get. You also get international exposure. Yeah, you get it. And a lot of companies are looking for people who have seen the best of both worlds, people who understand how to navigate these systems. And as a matter of fact, when you study in China, the world wants to, they want to hire you. Yes, because China is one of the leading, number one, is becoming world power. Like, honestly, don't get surprised. China is leading in manufacturing. I always say that China is the manufacturing hub of the world. They manufacture for the entire world, for every country. When you look at your shirts, your, everything in your house, you see made in China, made in China, made in China. China is not joking. And when it comes to green energy, China is number one. They already have their own electric cars. Since when? They have their own phones. They have, like, those guys are not playing. And you don't want to be left behind. China is such an amazing country to study. Yes. And you can also get, like I said, you can get up to 70% of your tuition. Yes, fully paid for. And there are still so many other opportunities that you stand to get when you travel to China. Beyond studying in China, traveling abroad, it just exposes you to a lot of opportunities. And if by chance you return to your home country, you can be hired as an expatriate. Hello, yes, and get paid much more than they would ordinarily pay you if you had not left the shores of your country. And there are so many more things, so many more factors that actually come to play when you travel abroad. The exposure, the experience, all that, everything about what you have become. You're gonna be, I promise you'll be a different person entirely. Just take a picture of you beyond the physical appearance, mentally, socially, psychologically, and also you are well empowered when you travel abroad and you study abroad and you bring what you've learned back into your home country. Or even if you don't go back to your home country, you are a different person for life. You also get to understand how they learn, their learning structure, and how they perceive things and how they think differently. You're able to merge both together compared to where you are coming from. You also get to exchange. Yeah, you also get to explain it to them. Okay, and you also get to share your own culture as well. They have lots and lots of cultural activities. And like I said in today's video, yesterday's video, I also mentioned that they have national centers for students. Yeah, so you can meet people from all over the world. So these are many more reasons. These are reasons why you should consider studying abroad or traveling abroad for your degree. So yes, if you have any question for me, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. And yes, you can also join my Patreon community if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me. The Patreon link is in my description as well as in my comments. You can also use the join button right next to the subscribe button. You can join my channel membership and you can also book a one-on-one consultation with me. And that is about it in today's video. And in case have I introduced myself yet? I don't think so. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. Yeah, so make it a date. Join me here every day. Tune into this channel every day and make sure that you share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like this video and do also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. When you turn on the notification bell, click on all. And yes, I'm also open to business inquiries and collaborations. If you'd like to partner with me, please send me an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Shoot me an email, ceo@chassiseverything.com. I'm going to display it on the screen. Till I see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you.